To answer your question, would I trade the Canadian healthcare system for the American system? Would be my answer to that would be absolutely not. We have an excellent system in Canada. I could probably make a 10-minute or half-hour video about the benefits that we derive from our healthcare system that go far beyond just health. Not to say the least would be things like stress. I mean, Canadians don't worry about what happens if I get hit by a bus, other than if you die or something or lose a limb. But I mean, you're covered, and yeah, you have no idea what kind of security that gives you. You don't have to worry about you know am I going to go bankrupt? If one of my kids gets seriously ill and I don't have insurance or whatever. I mean, the concept of insurance for health care to us, frankly, to most Canadians, and I'm in my late 50s, is foreign. It seems ridiculous. It'd be like, gee, your house is on fire. The fireman shows up and says, do you mind, giving me your credit card before we put the fire out in your house? I mean, it's insane. Or you're being mugged and a cop comes up and says, do you have insurance to cover this? It's ridiculous. And people in the States that I hear speaking against the system say, our taxes will go up, blah, blah, blah. My God, from what I understand, insurance in the States costs somewhere between, I don't have the numbers obviously because I don't pay it and I don't want to make statements that aren't accurate, but I hear $5,000 a year for healthcare, $10,000, $20,000 maybe for a whole family. Maybe that's wrong, but whatever amount it is, I can almost guarantee you your taxes are not going to go up by that amount. And also, I don't know, it just seems immoral in some respects, to overcharge, and that's the way it looks to us, for something that is essential. I mean, you can live without a lot of things in life, but you can't live without your life. Anyway, that's my comment. Hope that helps. Anyone who's hearing negative comments about Canadian healthcare, I would say probably has something, either is terribly misinformed or has, ulterior motives. I had one other thing to say. Can't remember what it was. Well, I guess it doesn't help our memory. See you later.